Hello guys, welcome to my latest video. This time I will be doing some old school stuff. So it's Upper Deck MVP 1999-2000 Upper Deck MVP basketball. 10 cards per pack, so total 10 packs, so it's 100 cards in total. Legend himself, Mr. Michael Jordan, Air Jordan, MJ, how you call him, he's still one of the best players in the league. In his prime, he was probably the best in the world. But anyway, we will be looking for the pro sign autograph cards. So maybe some silver script facsimile signature cards. There should be, I think, one in the pack. And for exclusive, look for Jordan MVP moments cards. So the odds are the highlight jam time. What's that? Your own draw insert cards. So should be one MVP very rare, all-star and pro sig cards. It's one in 144 packs. So hopefully we will manage to get some, or at least get one signature card. So these packs are quite old, been sitting in basement for a while. So in most cases, cards, from my personal experience, they're a bit stuck together. Ah, my bad. I've damaged the card. I know it's not the best thing to do. And it's the insert card. And I've damaged it. Yes, jam time. Chris Webber, you see? Cut the corner. Terrible. I'm a bad person. Very bad person. I've damaged a very nice card. But I'll do my best not to damage anymore. And hopefully we will pull MG signature card. What's the 1999? Any good rookies? I think Vince Carter, second year. Pau Gasol. Or he was drafted in 2000 or 2001. Tony Parker. I know actually what's that in class? In that class was the Kenyon Martin, 1999. Dirk Nowitzki, no, he is as well 98 drafted. Tim Duncan, 97. I'll see how it goes, but in 2000 draft, if it's 1999 draft, it's quite poor. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, guys. If you haven't done so, please do subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to enjoy this video. So like I said, cards are a bit stuck together. So these are MG exclusives. So I think they'll be one in a pack. Okay, so it's stuck one to each other. So MG exclusives will be here. The base here, rookies somewhere. And so we'll see how it goes. Dikembe Mutombo. Derek Anderson for the Cavs. Was the Michael Dickerson for the Rockets. Latrell Sprewell for the Knicks. So David Wesley for the Charlotte. Okay. That's nice. Kobe Bryant. MVP Freds, my man. Scottie Pippen and Sir Charles Barkley. Nice sketch card. Create your own, or what's it? A winner. Yeah, but like say old cards, they're stuck together, so some foil got on here, so both cards are basically worthless. Just for your own PC. John Stockton. That's it. So Kobe. Nice. Oh, what's the third, fourth season. So it'll be here, Kobe. So it's pretty much 2 inserts per pack or so. Okay, Jason Kidd. Dale Ellis. Magic, Sonics uniform. Sedana Barris for the Celtics, Boston. Rick Smits, Dutchman, the big Dutchman for the Pacers. MJ exclusives. So you can feel how it's stuck together. Okay, here is Kevin Willis. D.K. Simpkins, Chicago. Okay, what's that? Brent Barry for the Bulls. And the rookie, Andre Miller. It's actually nice. Nice rookie. Yes, that's for the Cavs. Cool. Andre Miller. That's probably one of the better draft picks in that class. 99. Okay, the next pack. Jalen Rose. MJ exclusives. Detlef Schrempf for the Sonics. The Mailman, Karl Malone for the Utah. Brevin Knight for the Cavs. AI, the answer. MJ exclusives again, one more. Cool, says 2. This is quite loaded with Alden Polynice. Sonics, it's actually quite loaded with inserts. And here is Andrew DeClerc and Otis Thorpe. Cavaliers and Wizards. Okay, so it's pack number 4, I believe, or 5. Number 4. Number 4. So see who comes out. Bobby Phills for the Hornets. Jalen Rose. MJ exclusives. Detlef Schrempf. Mailman. Oh, actually, sorry, guys, camera. Who's here? Oh, Jason Terry. Jason Terry rookie card. Yes, it's stuck together. Oh no, actually, it's loose. Jason Terry, that's nice. Kevin Garnett for T-Wolves. Hersey Hawkins. Wally Serbiak for the T-Wolves. Nice. 2 rookies in the pack. And the last one is... very nice. It's MVP moments. Jordan. Michael Jordan MVP moments. That's very nice card. Very nice card. With Rip David Stern. Okay, I'll put the Garnett here. Next to the rookies. Okay, pack number 5. So like I say, it's quite loaded, these packs with the inserts. So the Michael Dickerson, the Rockets, Latrell Sprewell, and another MJ exclusives. Peja Stojakovic, Predrag. Here it says Predrag, and later on it will be Peja Stojakovic. Okay, Raif LaFrentz, Sam Cassell, still for the Bucks. So yeah, before Timberwolves. Othella Harrington. Yeah. Terry Porter for the Heat. Arvydas Sabonis for the Blazers. That's nice. And here is electrifying Steve Smith for the Hawks. It's quite cool. Quite cool. Sabonis. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, pack number 6. Okay, let's start. Scott Burrell. Oh, that's from the Bulls. Played with Jordan. Yeah, for 1 season. And won the championship. Okay, Vlade Divac for the Kings. Who's next? Eddie Jones for the Charlotte. Eddie Jones. Here's Anton Jameson. Almost like whiskey, but not as good. Terrell Brandon for the T-Wolves. Timmy, what's his third season? It's quite nice. Young. Bobby Jackson. MJ exclusives. It's the Rip Cliff Robinson. Recently passed away. And here's the first silver script. Anthony Penny Hardaway still for the Magic. I believe last season for the Magic for him. Yeah, just I think when the injuries started to pile up. So, but here, silver script card. Nice cards, those silver script cards. Okay, pack number 7. Vitaly Potapenko for the Celtics. AC Green. Corey Maggette for the Magic. Yes, it is Magic. Bryce Drew for the Rockets. Patrick Ewing. Still for the Knicks. Howard Isley for the Jazz. MG exclusives. Raif LaFrance for the Nuggets. Sam Cassell and Ofella Harrington. That's that. So just one insert. Okay, the next. Those the better rookies coming out. Rip Hamilton, champion with Detroit, NBA. Allen Houston. Tariq Abdul-Wahad for the Kings. From France. It says here, it's Paul Pierce. Second season. I'll put it over there. Charles Oakley, good friend of MJ. Oh, Dirk Nowitzki, that's the guy. Second season as well. Bizon Deli. Jason Terry. KG, and the insert is Reggie Miller, MVP victory winner. It's quite cool. Nice. These inserts, nice inserts. Draw your own card. Okay, the pack number 9, and it's only one pack left. Maybe MJ silver script. Magic, Penny Hardaway. MJ exclusives. Da Christie. Oh, Sean Kemp. Just before he got very fat. The Cavs. Yes. Charlie Ward for the Knicks. MJ exclusives again. More and more. Stacked together. That's the biggest problem with those old cards. Alan Henderson for the Hawks. Eric Dampier for the Warriors. Lamont Beret, Lamont Lamont, and Grant Hill silver script. Whoa, guys, that's it. That's very nice. That's very nice. Grant Hill silver script. It's a terrible corner, dinked corner. You can see here. Very terrible, but the card itself is beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. So, guys, that's it. We came to the last pack. Last pack. The last card is in terrible condition, but oh, the Lamar Odom. Rookie, Tyrone Nesby. Baller and the player. Baller and the rapper. Tyrone Nesby. Luck Longley. Jamal Mashburn. For the Lakers is J.R. Reed. MJ exclusive. Consistent effort. Nothing stuck together. Daryl Armstrong, one of, at the time, being one of the best non-drafted players in the league. He's had let's say, average career, but like I just mentioned, he wasn't drafted in the league. And then at that time, 94, 95, 96, there was no G League, so it was very tough to get to NBA if you're not drafted. Kevin Willis for the Raptors, Dickie Simpkins for the Bulls, and the last is Michael Jordan, sketch card winner. That's cool. Now it has one bad corner, but all Jordan cards, they're all like, I don't know how you would say, expensive, sought after and stuff. So very nice. We finished very strong with Michael Jordan insert, not the MJ exclusives, but the insert, the winner insert. Got a couple silver scripts, so really amazed how good those 10 packs were. They're pretty much like 10 packs. So a box is 24 packs roughly, or 36. 36 most likely. So 1/3 of the box provided 2 silver scripts, winner inserts, and of course I managed to damage the nice jam time with Chris Webber. Unfortunate, very unfortunate, but what can you do? Sometimes there had to be done some sacrifices, but hopefully the next time we will get better and better. And definitely have in my sleeve some old cards, not that old like these, but from 2009. Steph Curry. We'll be hunting for Steph Curry rookie cards and James Harden. But at the moment, that's it. I hope you enjoyed, because a little bit of classic is always nice in between all the latest sets. So you just refresh your memories with all those old school guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you haven't done, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button, and we'll definitely gonna see each other in next video. Bye now.